So let's go ahead and talk about abstract classes. So I'm going to go ahead and nuke all this code. I'm going to keep my get and get string method though. Okay, so let's say we have a class called item, and we had another class called, I don't know, chair that inherits from item, and another class called, I don't know, potion that inherits from item, and maybe another class called gun. No, not actor. So we have three items. We have a chair, a potion, and a gun. Now, in our actual item type, hello?
Gun inherits from potion.
Well, why did I do that? It's a gun potion. I don't know what that means. Okay, so we want to go ahead and declare some virtual members on item. We want to say public virtual string display, for example. And, well, actually, I'm just going to make this void, and I'm going to do a console.writeLine. But here's the thing about this. Are the scopes from parents to child valid? Oh, yes, we still need to talk about protected. I don't know why that wasn't in the outline. We'll get to that. Okay, so what we have here is a public virtual void display method, and we want to use it for all our different items. So let's go ahead and write some more code. Let's say, what's the model of our chair? I want my resharper. So then we'll have a public override display, and we'll say console.writeLine chair model. And then our potion, we might have a type. Was that directed at me, Gavin?
Chair, not char.
Oh. I'm just full of awesome typos today. Potion, type. And then we might have a gun, and we'll still have a gun type. So each one of these classes have distinct functionality, but we want to store them all in a list. So let's go ahead and do that.